Good evening, students. This is Nishan, first year B.Ed from NVKST College of Education. This is my first class on e-content, and today we are going to see about the measurements. First of all, just think we are measuring things in our day-to-day life, like in centimeter, meter, kilometer, and fine, it's etc. And today we are going to start with a measurement from the measurement tools. The measuring tools. Just see what are all the basic measuring tools: a measuring tape, stop clock, a meter scale, then balance. First of all, we all are used a measuring tape for measuring a length of a table or a chair or a board or something we want to measure in our home or schools. I am giving a simple statement for measuring tape and its uses. A measuring tape, it is used to measure the length of the distance. Now we are going to see about the second one, stop clock. A clock or a stop clock, it is a literally different, but the stop clock within the clock. So just think we can measure the time. It is used to measure the accurate time of the activity. For an example, if an athlete running a 100-meter race on the track, it will be measured accurately with the help of stop clock. Then a meter scale. We all are known to the concept a meter scale. A scale, it is used to measure the length of the object. It is the initiative thing in our childhood days we used to measure something on notebooks or for geometrical representations. In our schoolings, we just study these basic measurements in elementary schools level with the help of this meter scale. So it is the very basic measuring tools in our elementary level education. Now we are coming to the fourth one in our content. It is balance. A balance is nothing but the beautiful and also an ancient object to measure the goods. It can be easily seen in our it is easily seen in our grocery shops to measure the weight of the vegetables and fruits. It is used to measure the weight of the objects what we want to know. Nowadays, the shape of the balance and its design and its structure are totally changed to digitalized machines. Today the balance machines are turned to digital one. And now we are going to see about the 7 fundamental quantities and we are going to see the first three basic fundamental quantities in this continuity. The 7 fundamental quantities of length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. First one, the distance between one point and the other desired point is known as length. The object distance from one point to another point is measured in the mean of length. Then the standard unit of length is meter. It is represented by the letter M. Very small lengths can be measured in millimeter and centimeter. The things which is literally better than or bigger than centimeter will be measured by meter, and then the longest length are roads like bypass or highways are measured in the name of kilometer. Okay, fine. Then it is a smaller examples for a length. Then it is about mass. Just know the difference between mass and weight. A weight can be changed from place to place. Like a person weight will be differ from earth to moon, but the mass won't be changed based on the particular places. Like it will be same what the mass in earth in moon too. It won't be differ. Time. Day changes into night and night into day. Seasons also changes. We know time is also changes. The day changes into night and night into day. It means the process of changing night to day and day to night. It is happens only because of the time. And how do we measure change in time? Clocks are used to measure time. You know how to read a clock face and note the time. You can also use your pulse to measure time. We can also use our pulse to measure the time, like our body pulse. Okay, now we are coming to the end of this session. Today we are seeing about the things like 7 fundamental quantities and their units and especially we seen about the first 3 fundamental quantities like length, mass and time, and we are know what are all its units and how to measure it. And before that we seen about the measuring tools like tape, meter scale, stop clock and then balance. And we see the things how to measure the length using tape and how to measure the time using clock or the stop clock, then balance and a meter scale. I hope all you are understanding the class, and now we are winding up the session. Thank you.